I'm here with my great client, Dwane. Dwane,
That's me.
can you tell me the experience so far, how it was for you when you? I helped you find this house, but tell me about what made you call me and how things are working out.
Hey, you know what? To be honest, I met this guy 11 and a half years ago. He sold me this house. And I felt so confident in his professional service that I called him back. Other people were trying to help me to sell this house, but I trusted him. And believe me, this guy came through, made things happen smoothly, fast, professional. He's professional. I mean, I'm not just saying that. It's the honest to God truth. He made this transition so smooth, broke down everything, explained everything to me, and we closed in about 30 days. And I'm about to be out of here and move on with my life, and I'm just so thankful for this guy. I really mean that.
Man, I really appreciate him very much, man. I really appreciate him very much, and I'm so happy for him, where he is moving to next. He's gonna enjoy life. When I met him, I know he's a hardworking man, and I know the time he put into work, getting up early for many years. And when he called me, I said, "Well, I'd love to help you," and I'm just so happy where he's moving on to, and I wish him nothing but the best, and to enjoy life, because he's got many more years to live, Dwane. Many more years. You gotta enjoy it, and I know you do good health, brother.
Thank you, man.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you. No, thank you, man. You've been so professional, so cool, man. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
I'll be turning more people on to you, which I already have.
I'm already ready for helping anybody you got.
You.
Okay, thank you.